Rosemary is a popular herb used in cooking, health, and beauty. It's also a beautiful plant to have in your home. But rosemary can also be a bit delicate to grow in a pot, so it's important to know its needs. In this video by The Daily Eco, we'll cover everything you need to know to grow rosemary in a pot, from choosing the right pot and soil to watering and fertilizing. Light. Rosemary is a sun-loving herb that needs at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. However, it is important to protect your rosemary plant from strong midday sun, especially in hot climates. If your rosemary plant is getting too much light, its leaves will turn yellow or brown. If your rosemary plant is not getting enough light, its leaf will become pale and the plant will become leggy. Temperature. Rosemary is a hardy herb that can adapt to a wide range of temperatures, but it thrives best in temperate and warm climates. Rosemary can tolerate cold temperatures, but it is susceptible to frost and hail damage. It also does not tolerate excessive heat very well, and it prefers temperatures between 55 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit or 13 and 27 degrees Celsius. Humidity. Rosemary is native to the Mediterranean region, which is characterized by dry summers and wet winters. As a result, rosemary is drought tolerant and does not require high humidity. Location. The best place to put your rosemary plant depends on your climate. In cold climate, it is best to keep rosemary indoors. Place it near a sunny window but not too close to the glass, as it could be too cold. Avoid placing rosemary near radiators or air conditioners, as these can dry it out. In temperate, warm and hot climates, rosemary can be grown outdoors. Choose a spot where it will receive at least 6 hours of sunlight, and if the sun is very hot in your area, place rosemary in a spot with partial shade, such as under a larger plant or tree. Watering. Rosemary is a drought-tolerant plant, but it still needs regular watering, especially when it is young or during hot weather. The best way to water rosemary is to use a drip irrigation system, as this will deliver a steady stream of water to the roots and prevent overwatering. If you're using a pot, make sure it has drainage holes in the bottom to prevent the roots from sitting in water. You can also place a layer of pebbles or gravel at the bottom of the pot to improve drainage. If you overwater rosemary, the leaves will turn yellow and fall off. If you underwater rosemary, on the other hand, the leaves will become dry and brittle. Pruning and pests. Rosemary is a low-maintenance plant, but it does require occasional pruning. The best time to prune rosemary is after flowering, but you can prune it at any time of the year if needed. To prune rosemary, simply cut off any dead, diseased, or damaged branches. You can also prune rosemary to shape it or to encourage new growth. Rosemary is susceptible to a few pests, including aphids and mealybugs. If you see any pests on your rosemary plant, you can treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Rosemary can experience dryness due to several factors, such as overwatering or underwatering, exposure to extreme temperatures, and inadequate drainage. To prevent your rosemary plant from drying out, ensure that you are following proper watering practices. Shield it from extreme temperature conditions and make sure that it's located in soil that allows for efficient drainage. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give us a like or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time.